This right here is the 3-piece kids drum set right here. So check this out. So it basically comes with everything that you need all in one set right here. Not only that, it includes 2 different sizes of drumsticks. So we got a small set and also like an adult set of drumsticks right here. So look at this. We have 3 amazing pieces and also the cymbal on the top too as well. That also has really nice functionality built into it all. But that's not all. Look at this. Look at this. We also have the stool back here and also everything that you need to go ahead and do it. It took me maybe about half an hour to kind of put it all together to assemble it, but that's all it took. But really good sound quality out of these things right here. Here, look at this. And if you have, so you can kind of check out the cymbal here too as well while we're at it. So you can go ahead and tighten that down, or you can loosen it up too as well, depending on how loose you want it. Right? Off of that. There it is. Yeah, so really nice overall. This also collapses down too, so when you need to go ahead and store it away, you can go ahead and store it away. Really nice and easy. So really nice. Yeah, so great drum set right there for your kids, and I hope you enjoy it as well.